Who are you? Really? Not your job title, not your Instagram bio, not what your parents or friends think. Who the hell are you? Let's get one thing straight. You've been lying to yourself. You tell yourself, I'm trying. No, you're not. You're avoiding. You tell yourself, I'm just figuring things out. Translation, you're stalling. Be honest. How much of your life is just noise? You want purpose, clarity, success? Then stop being a stranger to your own mind. Right now, you're just reacting to life like a leaf in the wind. You scroll, you binge, you numb, and you call that a life? Let me ask you something real. When was the last time you were alone? Without distraction. Not with your phone, not with fake goals, just you. Uncomfortable, right? Because deep down, you're afraid of meeting the real you. Why? Because the real you isn't all that impressive. Not yet. You talk big. You post quotes. You make plans. But your actions? They don't match your mouth. You're not lost. You're hiding. From responsibility, from effort, from the truth. And the truth? You've built a personality around your coping mechanisms, your laziness, your fear, your trauma. That's not you. That's just survival mode with a filter on. Truth one. If your friends, your environment, your habits are trash, so is your future. Yeah, I said it. You are not different from your surroundings. I think you are your surroundings. You just don't want to admit it because change is uncomfortable and excuses are easy. Here's what nobody told you. You don't find yourself. You build yourself piece by piece, day by day, by doing hard things, by breaking the patterns, by choosing who you are, not waiting for the universe to reveal it. So start here. Ask yourself one uncomfortable question every day. What am I pretending not to know? Because deep down, you know who you could be. You just keep betraying that version. Truth two. You don't have potential. You have patterns, and right now yours suck. You repeat the same weak habits and expect a different result. You scroll past greatness every day and choose comfort. You let your feelings drive your future. I don't feel motivated. Too bad. Motivation isn't real. Discipline is. Truth three. If you disappeared tomorrow, the world wouldn't even flinch. Brutal? Yeah. But it's freeing because it means you can become whoever the hell you want. No one's watching. No one's coming to save you. You are the hero and the villain of your story. Truth four. Nobody's coming to fix you. Not your parents, not your partner, not your therapist, not me. You are the damn problem and the only possible solution. Every time you delay the hard work, you betray your future. You disrespect your dreams. You spit in the face of your potential, and you know it. You feel it, man, in that quiet shame, that anxiety. That's your soul tapping on the glass screaming, wake up. So let me ask you again, who are you? Truth five. You've built your identity around comfort. Your favorite excuse? I'm just not that type of person. Really? Or have you just never tried long enough to find out? Every habit, every fear, every limitation? It's just repetition. You've repeated being weak for so long you started calling it your personality. Wake up. Are you a coward hiding in comfort? Or a warrior stuck in a waiting room? Here's the solution. Stop searching for yourself. Start creating yourself. You are not your past. You're not your pain. You are what you do next. Decide who you want to be, and then bleed for it. Not talk, not vision boards, action. Every day. No matter how you feel, because discipline is love, and showing up for your future self, that's power. You don't need 10 steps, you need one decision. Right now. Burn the script you've been living by. Write a new one. And here's the twist. No one needs to believe in it but you. This world owes you nothing. But if you build something undeniable, it won't matter who doubted you, so go ahead. Put the damn phone down. Stand in the mirror. Look yourself in the eyes and answer the question, who the hell are you? And what the hell are you doing about it?